What's up guys, welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. I'm Tommy. Now today I'm gonna show you the LMT motor. Now let's unbox it. Wow, it's so big. You can see the protection here. Just pull it out. Wow, it's so big. The 8mm shaft is so big. Now let's wet it. So it says 595.9 grams. Now let's compare to the Surpass Hobbies 1492. You can see these are almost the same long, and the Lehner is a little bit bigger in diameter. This is 5mm. This is 8. You can see here. .14 millimeters in diameter. And 90.7 millimeters in length. You can see it spins so smooth because it is a cordless brushless motor. This version is an LQ version. You can see here is a fan. There's carbon fiber sleeves on the rotor, so the RPMs, you can see it can be here. And this is a 2050 version, 6 ones, so the max RPM will be 64,000. Now, thanks for watching. Please make comments down below. I will see you next time. Bye.